Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm gonna be smoking up some delicious, smoky beef ribs on my Gatway drum smoker. Stay tuned. Remembering to try to stay above that meat. You don't want to remove a whole lot of meat. Okay? Just like that. Just add a good layer of this. This stuff is fantastic. I've been using this for many, many years. Pull the trigger and ignite the coals from the center. Here's my Tailgators party rub. So what I want to do at this point is just rotate my grate. So I'm going to wrap these tightly in foil. Then I'm going to place them back on the smoker. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a few slices. Oh man, these are extremely juicy. Here we go. All right, so that rack right there has a really good backyard rib flavor. Hope you guys like this video. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.